Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a Thursday evening update on the weather for the week ahead. And you can see the crystal clear, almost crystal clear conditions across the Arklatex right now as temperatures are cooling quickly with the dry air that we have in place. And it looks like that dry air is going to stick around for a few more days. Here's a look at the weather pattern. Still have the upper level ridge. You can see it over the southern Rockies. Big trough here across the northeast and the northerly flow here. Between the two, pumping in that drier air and allowing for temperatures at night to especially cool off. Talk about the dry air here. Here's a look at dew points for your Friday, as we have seen dew points today in the 40s over parts of the area, which is extremely dry when temperatures in the low 90s. You can see going through tomorrow, we will see dew points more than likely stay in the 50s, so the dry air will stay put for a couple more days before the humidity begins to increase. Of course, that'll lead to a crystal clear sky across the Arklatex tonight, and with the clear sky, wind dying down, that's going to allow temperatures to dip down into the 50s and 60s across the area. Tomorrow we'll see plenty of sunshine. Expect another mostly clear sky tomorrow night. And then Saturday we start the weekend with lots of sunshine and a bit of a warm up here in the next couple of days. Reason for that is the upper level ridge off to our west is going to expand eastward, as you can see here. And we're going to have to watch a little batch of tropical moisture. You can see this particular model has it over the Texas coast, extending up into parts of the Arklatex Monday night and Tuesday. Other models do show something tropical developing and possibly moving northward into Texas. So we'll have to keep an eye on anything that tries to organize in the Gulf of Mexico this weekend and early next week. Meantime, as far as rainfall potential, again, models are greatly split on how much rain we might see. Those that bring a little bit more of that tropical moisture northward have totals that are a couple of inches and even higher over the south and western sections of the region. This particular model not quite as bullish on the rain, showing pretty much all of the Arklatex seeing totals of less than an inch during the next week and a half. So your forecast for tonight is looking clear, and it is for this time of year looking rather cool. Lows tonight will be in the upper 50s to low 60s, including 61 tonight in Shreveport, 60 in Texarkana, 58 degrees in DeQueen. I would not be shocked to see 50s in Shreveport, to be honest with you, tomorrow morning. And then going through the day tomorrow, temperatures warming back up into the low 90s. A little bit warmer than what we had today, as we'll see still some very dry air in place, so the humidity will not be a factor for tomorrow. And then longer range, with the south winds kicking back in, we'll see the gradual return of the humidity this weekend. That will allow lows at night to warm back up into the low 70s by Monday morning. Still 60s for lows this weekend. Highs this weekend in the middle 90s. There's that chance of rain Monday that will increase for the middle part of next week and then decrease heading into next weekend, as highs next week for the most part will stay in the upper 80s to lower 90s depending on the amount of rain we see, and overnight lows likely will stay in the lower 70s. So all in all, it looks like our break from the humidity continues for a few more days with mild nights and some rather hot days, as our next chance of rain holds off until next week.